Tap on the Child option. Select any child. From here, you can see all the information about that child. If you tap on the Meal option, then you will be able to see existing meals, or you can add meals. Choose the meal category. I will select Lunch. Now type the meal name and description, and tap on Save. You have successfully added a meal. Go to the Nap option. Tap on the Add option. Here you have to select today's date, then the start time and end time, and add whatever description you want to, and tap on Save. Now you can see the list of naps of that child here. That's how the guardians too can check their children's daily meals and naps.